Hi, good people. Good evening. Yes, I'm here to get my guests for tomorrow's program. Amandzeba Nat Brew. So the munim no omoba Thursday be joma home ajuju omo for a beautiful conversation. Until pretty soon my brother will step out and I'll just welcome him, and he will just go to his hotel to have fun. Then tomorrow, we start the deal. Okay, so welcome to Sekro.
Bless you.
Blessed days. Okay, we shall for I have my brother with me.
Bless you.
Bless. So he's here for Hammer Time, your favorite show on Pure FM.
Hama, Oda Ukra Hama is on your carpenter. Odona, Obama, Adumtufa, Sebu, Moti Yanka channel. Moti Yanka. I mean, this man has won the respect of so many artists in Ghana. And Timunso Numuye Maya, why?
Somewhat, yeah. Okay, so about the hotel, Royal Lametta Hotel, over relaxing and you may translate in Then tomorrow, action time. Stay tuned.